So guys, I'm somewhere in this, can I call this place thick forest? It's not thick though. I'm just looking for something. You know, I woke up today and I'm hungry. I want to just look for something to eat, man. So, just want to check around and see if I can see food, somewhere to eat. Yes. I'm looking everywhere. All I can hear here is just the sound of birds. You know, you want to see where I am? Let me turn the camera. Can you see? Here's a ditch. Can you see this ditch? Yeah. And can you hear sounds? Can you hear the sounds? And see, I'm under this mango tree. And if this way, I would just get mango and, you know, eat. Because I'm hungry. I just need to eat something, guys. I'm hungry. Oh my God. Okay, what am I going to do? Guys, what do you think I should do? What do you think I should do? What do you think I should do, guys? There's a chicken right there. See, there's a chicken right there. Do you want to chase it? See, there's a big chicken up. Maybe I will just chase it. Oh, it's running away. Yes. This is another big mango tree. It's very big. Damn. And see, you have some mango here on the floor. Oh. See, this one would have just saved my life. But see, something has eaten it. See? Oh my God, my God, my God. What am I going to do? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Even this one. See? You see? All those birds. And, yeah, all those birds. They will not allow somebody to just enjoy this mango. You see? Look at it. Imagine I'll just bite from. You know, sometimes those mangoes are eaten by birds and snakes. Yeah. Do you advise me to eat or not to eat? Can I eat it? Do you want me to eat this mango? I will not eat it. Why will you say I should eat this mango? If you want me to eat this mango, write in the comment section. Yes. I'm just looking around. Here. Oh, I think there's a waterfall here. Wow. Oh my God. Can you hear the sound? I think there's a waterfall. Guys, I think I'm going down. So you see, before this giant tree that you are seeing here, this is a mango tree, very big mango tree. Look at it. Can you see this big mango tree? This mango tree was here, and we used to eat this mango tree. Now, because of the rain, and you know, it has pushed this mango tree to fall, and then to cross to the other side. This used to be like a small stream, like, and it's eating this area up. Like everything is going. See, this mango tree is down already. And not just only this mango tree. You see, this one here that you're looking at is not safe. And when you come with me, let me show you something. Look at this mango tree here. This one too. Can you see? Look at this mango tree. See, look at it. This one too is not safe. And there's another mango tree there. The one that fell across the, it looks like a bridge. I'll take the camera close there, you can see. So sometimes when this erosion start like joke, with time it will just turn to something else. Because once the rains are coming and nobody is taking care of it, the next thing you will see it changing to something you don't even understand. Look at this mango tree now. Now we've lost this mango because at this point sometimes when I just saw those cows, I was like, damn. What's on that way? So when I saw the cows, I was kind of scared. I almost ran. Look at them. Then too, they are here to eat. So this is what the erosion can do to us. I just take cover. Not that I was scared though, but sometimes it's good to take cover. So the erosion have eaten this place up, and anybody that wants to buy land here, I don't think, if they don't do something with this erosion, they will have issue with it, because the erosion is gradually eating up the land. Yes. Let's check out this one I was telling you about. Can you see? Just come on, look. You just have to be careful because you don't know what is here. That was where I was. I was down there where the erosion has eaten everywhere. Can you see? Deeply into the ground. So, like this place now, we use it for filming. Most of our village film, our epic films, we shoot it here, and you can hear the sound of birds, and it's very good. It's a nice place for film. So look at this erosion. Look at this place. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm in love with this place, man. Can you see? Look at that sound of water. You want us to see? Let's go and see. There's no way the sound is coming from. Do you like the sound? Oh, this is where the sound is coming from. Yes, your production. All right, let's go. But you can see, is this place not beautiful? Although people that own this place, they will not be happy because of it's affecting their lands. You know, you can't find here again. Even if you want to find something, maybe you find rice.